Lezyne Stick Drive C Black. The Lezyne Stick Drive C Black is a sleek and reliable rear light that delivers exceptional performance. With its black color and compact design, it seamlessly blends into any bike setup, making it a versatile choice for cyclists of all kinds. One of the standout features of this product is its durability. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, the Lezyne Stick Drive C Black is built to withstand the demands of outdoor use. This material not only provides excellent strength, but also contributes to its lightweight design, making it easy to mount and carry. The Lezyne Stick Drive C Black is powered by batteries, offering convenience and flexibility. With a simple battery replacement, you can ensure that your light stays illuminated for your entire ride. It's also worth mentioning that this rear light is waterproof, making it suitable for riding in various weather conditions. When it comes to performance, the Lezyne Stick Drive C Black impresses.